good, y'all? I don't know if you can see. I'm on a swan boat put on a bus down. Go backwards, go backwards, go backwards, go backwards, go backwards, go backwards. Sorry, brother. All right. Keep this shit going, man. It's all good. What today is about, man, I noticed I'll be reading some comments and people actually listen when I talk sometimes. And somebody left a comment and said it was very inspiring. So I hope this is inspiring. There's going to be days where you don't feel the best. You don't always got to feel good. It's all right not to feel good. So another thing I wanted to tell y'all too was, and I'm going to keep saying this because whoever's watching these videos, you feel me, you really need to know this. Everybody wants to be famous. Everybody wants to drop music. Even a song that you really don't even have a budget to put out, you should still be using something called an ISRC code. So whether you use United Masters, DistroKid, TuneCore, SoundOn, like whatever you're using, every time you drop a song on all plats, it comes with a code by the time it all processes and goes through. So you really need to get on that and get a BMI or an ASCAP so that way you can do your second set of paperwork. Just like you got a DistroKid, you got to fill everything out, name, credits, whoop-de-whoop. When you made it, it kind of gets a little bit more detailed in BMI and ASCAP about how the song was made, but you have to do that because it's kind of like, I'm not going to say it's a loophole, but it kind of is because I know everybody's seeing 5 cents, 6, you feel me, like $0 off of every bit of music that you put out, you know what I'm saying? But maybe you are getting streams. So if you don't have a BMI or an ASCAP, you're definitely missing out. And it kind of registers your song in the industry for real. Like if that code never gets used, then they're never going to send you your royalties. It's never going to hit. You know what I'm saying? And I don't know if they can view what codes get used or who can't, but it's money, so I'm sure they can. You should be using that code. So it's not just a distributor like a DistroKid. There's more to it. You need to get an ASCAP or a BMI. That's going to be the sauce. That's going to be the way to get your money. So then when you market the music, the song, the video, whatever it is, everything adds up and you actually get the money, whether it got on a TV show, whether it was played on the radio, or it was just streams, or somebody bought it straight up like that. Can't forget about it. That's it. I know that